Welcome back to another Unisubi. And on today's episode, how to change the battery in your Subaru proximity sensor key when you don't have a screwdriver. You're not screwed, you just don't have a screwdriver. So here we go, and keep it short. You find the silver button in the back, deploy the key. Turn your key this way, okay? Now what we're looking for is the silver tab here. Right next to it is where we're going to enter the key. Try to get this on film. You push it in like that. Now we're going to separate the two sides. Okay, push it up, pops open just like that. Okay, and there you have it. CR2032 is a type of battery. This whole thing comes out. Now, how to put it back together. You put it back in, okay? Get your cover, right? Line it up. Just like this, okay? You should never have to force it. Push the button in, slide it back in. It's back together again. Remember, you're not screwed if you don't have a screwdriver. You're good. And that's another episode of Unisubi. See you next time.
Oh, they sold me a broken car!
Uncle, you gotta hold the brake when you push the start button. Ooh. If this video helped you with your broken car syndrome, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps this channel out a lot.